Use in every room. Perfect for organizing your kitchen, bathroom, home office, laundry room, garage, craft or hobby room, and more. Maximize storage. Perfect for containing and organizing loose items and keeping cabinets neat and tidy. Ideal for high-up storage. Keeps items from getting lost in the back of hard-to-see and hard-to-reach high cabinets. Easy access. Smooth glide Lazy Susan rotates so you can quickly reach what you need, and features handles for easy transport. Stable secure. Nonskid base keeps turntable in place while rotating, and raised rim prevents items from falling off. The Copco Basics 12-inch storage turntable is a perfect storage solution for your home. Perfect for containing and organizing loose items and keeping cabinets neat and tidy. This smooth glide, revolving organizer provides easy access to everything you need, and features handles for easy transport. Its Nonskid base secures the turntable in place while rotating, and its raised, 3/8-inch rim prevents items from falling off when in use. Measures 12 inches in diameter. To clean, wipe with a damp cloth. Top reviews from the United States. An amazing product. I have two of these, the 12-inch and the 10-inch. I have the 10-inch on my bed. I am bedridden and I keep all my bottles and things I need to reach at a moment's notice here with me. I love them. The other one is in a cupboard. They swivel very nicely, and the best thing about them is they have plenty of height on the sides. Nothing can or will fall out as the flat ones do. This product is amazing and well made with great materials. I love mine and I am sure you will too. It even swivels on my king-size bed. I can reach anything in there without a problem. Love, love, love.